Okay, now that we know about notes and rests and their time values, we're going to take a closer look at time in music and how we show it, how we show measures of time. So in music, what we'll do is you'll see these lines like this. These are called bar lines. They go from the top to the bottom line of the staff. And usually you'll see them in certain lengths like that. So in between two bar lines is what we call a bar. The other word would be measure. Okay, so now how long is each bar or measure? For that, we have something called time signatures. Okay, now a time signature will be two numbers. Okay, a very common one you'll see on a lot of music is 4/4. Now, what does that mean? Well, the top number means how many beats in a bar. Okay, the bottom number, it's pretty simple, isn't it? So if there's 4 on the top, it means 4 beats in a bar. If there's 3 on the top, 3 beats in a bar, etc. Now the bottom number tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. So the bottom number, the top number can be anything. I could have 32 up there. I could have 15. I could have whatever I want as the composer. Okay. On the bottom, though, now I should say that you'll not usually see that high a number on there, but the bottom number tells us what kind of note gets 1 beat. So if I had 4 on the bottom, it represents a quarter note. Now, so if I could have, say, 4/1, that would mean a whole note gets 1 beat. I could have 4/2, and that would mean a half note. Gets 1 beat. If I had 4/4, means a quarter note. Gets 1 beat. 4/8, eighth note. Gets 1 beat. I could have, and now we're getting, to the very rare time signatures. If it was 4/16, I could have, or a 16th note gets 1 beat, or I could have 4/32. Now, mind you, I've never seen that, either of those, and I've only ever seen this once in some very ancient music from the 1300s, or maybe not that early, maybe the 1500s, but mostly we'll see a 2, a 4, or an 8 on the bottom. The 2, the 4, or the 8. And so this would be 4/8 notes in a bar, 4 quarter notes in a bar, 4 half notes in a bar. Okay, and that's it. That's what this means, the time signatures.